let's take a look at the process of authenticating. It is really grueling, no? At rigorous kung mapapansin mo, di ba? Paano in-authenticate yan? Sino talaga nag-download? Ano yung chain of custody? Ano yung skill level mo para i-store yan? Paano mo exactly kinumpare yan at paano mo ma-authenticate? Saan nang galing yan nung dinownload mo? Original ba yan galing sa Facebook? Hindi. Grabe yung proseso kung makikita mo yung line of questioning. And kung ma-appreciate yon ng mga supporters ni Sara Duterte because that is being questioned by the line of questioning, di ba? Ng mga senator judges na medyo alam naman natin align kay Sara Duterte at the same time the defense. Kung na-appreciate nila yung ganyang proseso, well and good. Ang gusto ko nga sabihin, yan yung due process, no? Yan yung due process na pinagkait dun sa mga libo-libong namatay sa war on drugs, di ba? Yung sana maki-question nila yung ebidensya, sana makakapagpaliwanag sila, sana assisted sila ng napakaraming abogado bago sila patayin, di ba? At bago na lang sila bansagan na drug lord or drug peddler kaagad without any semblance of due process. So all of a sudden, at least we're seeing how important due process is. Having said that, confused ako kung bakit ganyan yung rigor na gusto ng depensa. Kasi confused ako, umaamin ba sila na si Sara Duterte yon or hindi, or authentic yung video? Kasi last time I checked the pre-trial order, they've acknowledged that this video is what we call a common exhibit. Ano yung sabihin nun? Nung pre-trial po, in-identify ng prosecution anong mga exhibit nila, in-identify rin ng depensa kung anong mga exhibit nila. So kung pareho sila, common exhibit, they're offering it as evidence for both sides, at the very least, you concede that this is authentic because I don't think the defense will offer an exhibit that is not authentic. In other words, kung admitted as a fact na pala yung authentication, bakit tayo nag-uubos ng oras dito sa nitty-gritty? So, is the defense of is the theory of the defense is it because this is not authentic? Or is it because it's authentic kasi no-offer nila and then may konteksto yan? So medyo nalilito pa ako sa line of questioning and defense of the defense team of Sara Duterte. But at any rate, dahil nga yung prosecution will always want to err on the side of caution at ipakita na authentic naman talaga itong mga videos na ito, they had to go through that brouhaha and process. And I think they were able to do so despite constant objections yesterday ng depensa, no, ni Attorney CJ Narvasa, at kitang-kita rin naman kanina kahit na nag-cross siya, hindi nagpa-budge yung witness at sinabi ng witness, I authenticated this, I have experience, this is original, no, and nung tinanong kung ito ba ay threat, sabi niya, I think it's an absolute threat.